Yo, so there are a few taps that you can make that will almost instantly make a huge difference in the amount of views your videos are getting. Let me show you something. All right, so recently I started helping out on this small channel, and I wanna show you something very interesting inside of YouTube Studio here. So down here at the bottom, we have in the gray that's barely visible, the typical performance of the videos on this channel. Frankly, the typical videos haven't been performing that well. However, this video that we just uploaded is this blue line here, and as you can see, it has completely taken off. It has done miles better than the other videos on the channel. We've gotten over 5,000 views, 85 hours of watch time, some subscribers, and a little bit of money, not a lot. But once again, this is a smaller channel, so all of these numbers are really good things to see, and it's all because we clicked 3 buttons inside of YouTube Studio. I understand the work that it takes to publish a long form video, hours of editing, hours of filming, hours of scripting, coming up with the idea, coming up with the title, the thumbnail, all of that goes into making a successful long form video. But then sometimes you publish it and it just doesn't get any views. But then you publish this quick, fun short that took you absolutely no time, and then views start pouring in. It's nice, but it's also a little bit frustrating. But there's something we can do to take advantage of this problem. If your YouTube shorts are getting views, doesn't matter how many views, if they're getting any type of viewership at all, you have hidden potential on your channel. All right, so if we dive back into this video, we can go here into analytics and see some interesting things that give us an understanding of why the performance of the video did so much better. So starting off, we can see that over the last 48 hours, the top traffic source is related shorts. All right, so where exactly are all of these views coming from? Well, they're coming from this short right here. As you can see, this short has done really well. Over the last 7 days, it's gotten almost 20,000 views. Over the last 48 hours, it's gotten over 4,000 views. So what we did was we took advantage of the performance of this video, and here in details, we can see that we linked to that long form video that performed super well from this short. So now when a viewer is on YouTube and they see this short, they'll also see this little button down here at the bottom that they can then click and then be taken to that long form video that we uploaded, helping to take a lot of those viewers from shorts over to long form. All right, quick pause. I want to tell you about VidSummit. It's happening September 3rd through the 5th in Dallas, Texas. It is an incredible event. If you want to network with the top YouTubers around the world, learn how to grow your channel faster, or just hang out and have a ton of fun, then you need to check out the link pinned in the comments below so you can join us in person or online, and if it's too late, there's always the replays. All right, back to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this inside of YouTube Studio. Then I'm going to show you this message from a YouTube employee on how they use this, and it's so good. First, you're gonna need a YouTube short. It can be a clip from a video that's already out on your channel or something that you just made for this purpose. And if you have that short uploaded, you can go to details. And now I'm gonna show you how to do this in just 3 clicks. All you're gonna do is come down here to related video. That's 1 click. Find a video that you want to connect to that short, the video that you want to promote using that short. So for us, we're gonna choose this one right here actually. And then that's click number 2. And then up here at the top, hit save. 3 clicks. That's simple. And you're done. Now this is just a random example, but you can be really creative on how you do this. Mark Manson took this clip from his long form video and turned it into this short. This channel created a short out of one of the most engaging parts of their long form video and then linked it back to the full thing. Trahan ended this short form video, directing viewers to watch this longer one. Creators find very interesting ways to utilize this feature, but this ex-YouTube employee explained it in a way that I never heard before.
I think nearly everyone is oversimplifying YouTube's recent update, which lets you link your shorts to other videos because there's so much more you can do with it. So here's 2 ideas, which I like to call the flood method and the short to short method. The flood method means you take every single one of your shorts and have them linked to your most recent long form YouTube video, even if it's unrelated. Meaning you flood one long form with your shorts, and then when you put out another long form video, you change all the links on your shorts to flood to that one. So the second method is the short to short, which is exactly what it sounds like, because most people use this tool, this new linking tool, only to link their short clips to the respective long form that they came from. But what most people don't realize is that you can also link your short to another short, which I would do with every single short on your channel, especially if your shorts are part of a series.
It's that simple, it's that powerful, and it freaking works. So I want you to give it a try. And if you want to know 5 YouTube settings that can help you get monetized faster as a small channel, then click this video right here and I'll see you over there. Keep creating.